Okay, this is problem 14 from chapter 11, CFIN7. This is a cost of retained earnings and cost of new common equity problem. The Bonanza Gold's common stock currently sells for $32 per share. Bonanza investment banker charges 7% flotation costs. When new common stock is issued, the company expects to pay a dividend of $3.36 per share. So that's our D1. At the end of the year, if Bonanza's cost of retained earnings is 15.5%, what is its cost of new common equity? So they don't give us the growth rate here. So what we have to do is we'll take the cost of retained earnings and we'll subtract the dividend yield, and that'll give us the growth rate. So the dividend yield is the dividend divided by the market price. So that's 15.5% minus the $3.36 divided by the $32. So the dividend divided by the market price. So I'm not that as a percent. So the growth rate here is 5%. So the cost of new common equity, we're going to use this formula. So it'll be our dividend, the $3.36 divided by the price, multiplied by 1 minus the flotation cost plus the growth rate. So equals the $3.36 divided by, and we need parentheses here, the price. We multiply that by 1 minus the flotation cost of 7%, and we close parentheses. So we need 2 there, and then we add the growth rate, and we get 16.29% as the cost of new common equity.